This is the Culinary 1 class at Gar-Field, and today we're learning how to make pasta.
What I like about this class is that you get to learn something new every time. We're never doing the same thing. We're always doing something different, and it's just like you learn so much that you can use into real life and everyday things.
This is like the real deal. Like, we're in an actual kitchen, like we have the uniform on, like we're making food every day. A very great experience.
When I graduate, I really want to run a food truck, and this program is really helping me with that.
It's honestly one of the best programs I've ever been in. I've learned how to cut vegetables properly. Today I learned how to make pasta from scratch.
I think in the realm of high school right now, we have to be realistic that not all students are going to go to college. And so to have career and technical education, you know, the plumbing program, culinary program, auto tech, that gets kids into the workforce, and especially the kids that aren't college bound and that are in need of, you know, working directly from high school. It is having fun in the kitchen, but it's also gaining a sense of independence and gaining a life skill that they know that they're able to take with them later on in life.